back to my channel, Magical Mano. I am very joyful because I came outside. You know guys, what is this place? It's called Jakur. In Kuwait, this is all deserted place. There is no water connection and roads. Some places there are caravan type of houses. Let's see. My father told me that some people do some poultry farming, horse stables and some cattle farming. Now I'm going to see guys. If you want to see with me, come on, let's go. See guys, when I was going, I saw the camel. I saw the camel many times, but I didn't climb it. Today I will climb it, guys. Let's go, guys, and ask that person if it's possible to sit. My dad is asking that person if we could climb it, and that person agreed. I am asking my sister to climb first because I was too scared, so my sister is going. Here is my sister. I dared to go first, but I didn't. I asked my sister to go first, and my sister is climbing. She is also scared like me. Now she is climbing. She is too scared, but I am also too scared. We didn't make the camel up because we are so scared. Now it's my turn. I am very scared. I'm climbing. That camel is... When I was sitting, that camel ran away and I got hurt, and that camel scared and ran away, and I am also very scared, and that camel ran away. I will show you my hurt. See guys, I got some hurt. I got little bit hurt. Okay, leave it. Let's go guys. When I was going, I saw some hens and goats. They put green colored tent because outside it's too hot, so the animals also should not be hot, so they put some green tent like that. It is too bad smell. It's so very bad smell. I think this is cattle farming and poultry farming also. There are some horse stables also. Here all houses are looking like caravan houses. They are too far, not near. Each house has big water tanks because there is no water supply. I will show you guys something. See, there is one white horse. They put some stables. I like horses very much, and I love to play with them. I will show you one thing. There is one more. See guys, that is brown color. I like brown, so caravan houses. There are some kitchens, bathrooms, like caravan type of houses. See there guys, there are some caravans, and there are some 2 water tanks. There is no water supply here. People bring these tanks and people use it. They use it for everything. Guys, this is very big. It's like a huge ball. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoy it, guys, now this area is all like this. Now we are going to home. it for today, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and comment to my channel. Magical Mama. Bye, guys.